Okay, now that we have two of these, one side and one center piece nailed together, I'm going to take the other side piece, put it right up against there, flush the edge, and put this clamp on it for a minute. And measure this distance inside. In this case, that distance is 2 7/16. I then cut two little blocks of wood, 2 7/16 inches square. They go in here to help keep the shaft square when we nail it together. Stick that in there like that. Turn the piece over and nail this side on, just like we did before, with several nails right along the length. You're going to want to make sure you hold this straight, though. That's a little bit tricky. And then you'll have your base basically formed, if you will. Set that nail up in there. Put the square in there, set this piece on, and set it in there level, and nail it together. When you're done, you'll have a piece that looks pretty much like this. This one's a different size, but the principles are the same, no matter what size you're using.